My video is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Typo, Typo. This Typo is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, due to certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Typo ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Very soon, users realize that they cannot use their data anymore because of this Typo ransomware. This ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. Typo is the extension that is appended additionally to the file names. So after people restart their computers, they suddenly realize the damage that has been caused by this horrible ransomware Typo, and it is not possible to use the files anymore. You may trace this ransomware, by the way, in the task manager. Most likely you will find some suspicious processes. And as I said, it's not possible to use the files. Removing this Typo extension does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware tells its victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So don't pay that ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program would begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature actually allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But it does not decrypt files, though. It only removes the ransomware and gives protection from further ransomware attacks. So wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations on the computer. Consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.